Hello to friends and welcome to my channel. So in this video I will show you unboxing and first look of new pair of earbuds that I recently got. This will be the Galaxy Buds FE or FE Fun Edition made by Samsung. And I was looking to get a pair of Samsung earbuds for a long time since, but usually they're always above the $100–150 mark. So sometimes you can get a good deal, but usually they are, in my opinion, really expensive. Not to get me wrong, they are have really nice features, but now Samsung did release the Fun Edition, and these are $99.99. Here in Slovakia, they are going for around 100 to 110 euros. But recently we had a Black Friday deal, and the price was 81.90. So I jumped on it and bought one. So yeah. So let's open them up. Using my old trusty Delica in ZDP 189. Great knife from Spyderco. So they have a really nice minimalistic package, but nice presentation. Inside we have the cable and so let's see the buds. Okay, inside the accessory pocket you have a few extra probably plugs and a USB-C to USB-C charging cable, since this is a USB-C compatible. So this is really interesting. I will be going through the specifications, but on the packaging we have ANC, nice triple mic clear call, and 6 to 21 hours playtime. This is probably rated with full volume and full ANC on, because on the spec sheet they were rated at 8.5 hours for the buds and 21.5 for the case, so 30 hours total. So I don't know why there is only 6.5. Okay, so now we have two different sizes of the earplugs. So these look like really soft rubber, and inside here these are the rubberized bands that go around the earbud itself. Since you see on the picture, this comes with a really nice hook design, and this is why I bought them too, so they are more secure. And as I can see, opening the case, my phone recognized these buds, so let's click to connect, and look like they are connected. Let me just check what they are doing. So they're downloading the software, and let's see, continue. And now they are set. Okay, the software was really nice. We have the buds itself it will tell you what is the charge. We have 46% in the case itself. There are few informations about the noise control, ANC on and on, ambient, touch control, butt settings, and yeah, you can definitely use some equalization, earbuds fit test, Bixby, and so on. So nice. I will try to play with them a little bit, but let me show you the earbuds what you are probably waiting for. So the hooks are, so these are rubberized, they are pre-installed, so this should keep your earbud really nice and tight in your ear without any kind of slippage, or when you shake your head, they do not fall out. So if you don't like it, you can definitely change it out for these smooth ones or without the fin. So now let's see the specs really quickly. So let's bring out the page itself. Okay, so let's see. We have Bluetooth 5.2 for Android smartphones, of course. Here are the physical dimensions. The weight is 5.6 grams or 40 with the case. 60 milliamp battery. Yeah. I don't see the size of the drivers they are using. Really interesting, why not? So the IPX rating is IPX2. Let me check that, because yeah. Okay, so I have double checked it, and it is really, they are saying that they have only IPX2 rating, which is relatively weak compared to the IPX7 rating on the Earbuds 2 Pro, but those are far more expensive earbuds. So yeah, don't go swim with these. I think they could up the IPX rating, but then of course there will be little differences between the Earbuds 2 or Earbuds Pro. So, and yes, of course, the case has no wireless charging, so that is also where the cost savings went in, probably. Okay, so now about the technologies. So it has, like I mentioned, active ANC. You have a smart view, so you can connect this, and if you are if for some reason you lost it or don't know where you put those in, you can find it with the smart view. And there is also DNN technology for clear voice. It should be really nice to check. These have 3 mics. Let me check. There should be 2 internal and 1 external microphone. So where I have it. So here is the picture of the inside of the earbud. So you have 2 outer mics and 1 inner mic, plus a speaker, of course. So now let me try these out, play a few musics, and and I will give you my final verdict. So I will pause the video. Okay, so as I expected, these two earbuds sound really good. So you have deep tones, mids and highs, everything sounds really loud. So I had it tested around 75% and it was really loud. The ANC is also, for me as a first-time user of ANC, really good. These by itself, when you have the ANC turned off, does provide you a really nice sound cancellation. But if you have the ANC noise cancellation on, then you can hear nothing. I had tested it in a quite noisy room. So yeah, what to say more? In my opinion, this is a great pair of earbuds for the 82 euros. Definitely, if you wait it, then I would suggest go get them. So they try also a little bit of exercise. They did not fall out. So nice and good option for me personally, since my previous daily driver were the JLB. This was the model endurance race with these hooks right here, and these do not had that good coverage. Maybe just the size of the earplugs was not to my ear fitting well, but these are really doing the good job. So I'm so far really happy. And since the past 7 months since I used these, yeah, they were okay for around 70 euros or so. They are a really good piece of earbuds, but if you looking for something better than for a little bit more, then get these Galaxy Buds FE from Samsung. So with that being said, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can, of course. If you're subscribed, thank you very much. Big thumbs up to you. And if you are not subscribed, then please consider subscribing to not miss any future videos. With that being said, wish you a wonderful day. Hope to see you soon. Bye.